Minyaka mingaphi? 39. 39. Uyayazi Savannah?
Ndiyayazi.
Uyayazi Savannah?
Ndiyayazi.
I want to help you. Ngifuna ukukusiza. I want to help you. The Lord said to me, I must bless you. Nkulunkulu uthi mangikubusise. Nkulunkulu ngithathe wangisa kunyaka ka 2016. Wathi uNkulunkulu mangihambe ndiye 2016. Wathi umoya ongcwele, you were pregnant.
Kunjalo tata.
You were pregnant. 2016. You were pregnant. Wahamba waya esibhedlela uyobeletha. Waqeda kubeletha. Kodwa waphuma umntana wakhe engaziwa uba uphi esibhedlela.
Kunjalo.
Waphuma umntana wakhe engaziwa esibhedlela.
Kunjalo.
From that day waqale wasela itshwala and drink alcohol until now. And drink alcohol until now.
Kunjalo.
Neminyaka emingaphi?
Na 39.
So what does that mean? This, you may judge people because you see them now, but you don't know what they are going through. So don't be quickly to judge because you don't know what people are going through, whether it's right or wrong, but the people are going through a lot. You may see them, sit with them like this and say, Mama, bathathile intontoni yakho, and like, hey, but you don't know what those people are going through. Umuntu ofunyene ngo 2016 uneminyaka emingaphi manje? 9 years. 9 years. So don't abuse alcohol. Ube ne stress because of situation. Umntanakho, she is a girl and she is alive. She's a girl. She is alive. But there is a nurse. Oh, I'm tired. Maindra mo ilamanto prava. Shelimanto eselimantabra. 9 years old. And from that day, zangu phinde ube nomntwana. From that day.
Kunjalo prophet.
Tomorrow kungolesithathu. Lesine. Friday, you shall see your baby girl. Friday.
Oh. Diabulela.
Friday, you shall see. Hear me everywhere you are. This coming week and the next coming week and the week that is coming, you shall see your blessing coming to you. You shall see your blessing coming to you. You shall see your blessing coming to you. You shall see it.